5 minutes can feel like nothing, or it can feel like forever. Why does time slow down the moment you start waiting? Your brain doesn't measure time with clocks, it measures time with attention. When you're busy, your attention is occupied. Time feels fast. When you're waiting, your attention has nowhere to go, so it focuses on time itself. The more you notice time, the slower it feels. Waiting isn't just about time, it's about not knowing. When you don't know how long something will take. Uncertainty triggers stress, and stress stretches time. That's why waiting in line feels worse than knowing exactly when something will end. Doing something, even something boring, feels better than waiting. Because activity gives your brain a goal, waiting gives it nothing. So your brain keeps checking, is it over yet? Every check makes time feel longer. Phones seem like the solution, but scrolling breaks attention into short bursts. Your brain keeps switching focus, and every switch resets your sense of time. That's why waiting can still feel slow even when you're distracted. To shrink waiting time, give your brain a clear task. Focus on something continuous. Set a predictable endpoint. Structure calms the brain. Waiting doesn't stretch time. Your brain does. Because when attention has nowhere to go, time becomes the only thing you notice. What situation makes waiting feel the longest for you? Subscribe to CurioLab-XPLN for more everyday mysteries explained.